to heart it with love and a cruelty with forgiveness. He forgave those who insulted him. He forgave those who attacked him, even though he forgave those who drove him out of his homeland. See, that is the level of mercy he showed. A mercy that conquered heart, not lands. A mercy that changed the world, the entire universe. His compassion extended to animals, the environment, and all of the creation. He taught us that even giving water to a thirsty dog is an act of charity, and all life is cared. My dear friends, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said, "Irhamu man fil ard, yarhamukum man fis sama." Be merciful to those on earth, and the Creator of the skies will have mercy upon you. This is a noble hadith from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today, as we look around us, as we look around the world, we see so much conflict, anger, and division. What better to follow a man who taught us peace, live with humility, and love all the humanity. In conclusion, Prophet Muhammad was more than a leader or a teacher. He was the embodiment of grace, compassion, and mercy. If we truly understand his message, we will realize that the kindness, patience, and forgiveness are not just noble values. They are the